Imagine a world where farmers can monitor their crops from the comfort of their homes, thanks to AI. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But what if we told you this is the future of agriculture? Today, agriculture faces a myriad of challenges. The labor-intensive nature of farming tasks, inefficient use of resources, and unpredictable weather conditions are just a few of the hurdles farmers grapple with. In these trying times, a powerful ally has emerged on the horizon: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI holds the potential to revolutionize the way we farm. By leveraging complex algorithms and machine learning, it can help predict weather patterns, optimize resource usage, and even recognize plant diseases all in real time. This means farmers could potentially monitor and manage their crops without stepping foot on the field, thereby saving time, money, and resources. So the question is not if, but when will AI become a common tool in agriculture? But first, what exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI as it's often called? Well, let's break it down. Picture your mind as a high-speed, high-capacity computer. Now imagine if we could design machines to work in the same way. That's the basic idea behind AI. Artificial intelligence is a fascinating branch of computer science that's all about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. It's not just about crunching numbers at lightning speed. It's about teaching machines to learn, reason, problem solve, and even understand and use language. Think of a toddler learning to recognize a cat. That's a simple form of learning and perception. Now imagine a machine doing the same, recognizing a cat from thousands of images. That's AI at work. AI isn't just about replicating human intelligence, though. It's about enhancing it, extending our capabilities to new heights and horizons. In essence, AI is all about creating smart machines that can think and learn like humans. Now imagine combining this AI with drones. Yes, you heard that right. AI-powered drones. These aren't your everyday drones.